The testis is covered by a fibrous connective tissue called your tunica albuginea. Okay? Ayan yun. Huh? So the whole of your testis is covered by a fibrous connective tissue called tunica albuginea. Now the tunica albuginea will fold inside, inward, okay, to form this one. Yung mga seminiferous tubules niyo, okay? They will form into septa, and this one, this class, are your seminiferous tubules. The testes, together with the pancreas, is both, these are the only organs in the body, if you're a male, ano, may testes na, that has two functions, the endocrine and the exocrine portion. Now, the endocrine portion of the testes is performed by the testosterone. Okay, that is from the islets, Leydig cells, I'm sorry, the Leydig cells, the interstitial cells of Leydig that secrete your testosterone. But our point here will be your seminiferous tubule. This is one seminiferous tubule, this is another seminiferous tubule, another seminiferous tubule. Okay? These seminiferous tubules are the exocrine portion of the testes. They contain the different stages of your germ cells. Now let's go in. Class, with this view, can you identify that this is a testes? Okay? The interstitial cells of Leydig are found in between your septa. So yung nasa labas yun. But our point of view right now will be this one, the seminiferous tubule. If we zoom this in, mga males, imagine niyo na, ganyan ang laman ng inyong testis. Pag walang laman yung testis nyo, habang kinakapan nyo, magpatingin na kayo. Okay? Kailangan may laman. Kapag puro hangin lang yun.
Magiging masaya pa yun.
Okay. So this, class. This one is better. Look at them. This is the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. And the one that you see in the middle, class, look at this.
Sperm.
Ano yan?
Sperm.
These are your sperm cells, the mature cells. Okay? Yung tsura niya, may tail na, you have a head there. Okay? And the one that you see at the most periphery, yan, yung pinakadulo, class, are your spermatogonia. These are your stem cells, okay? Or the ones that really produce the cells, appendix. Okay, yung dulong-dulo. These are your spermatogonia. They are found at the periphery of your seminiferous tubules. Actually, there are primary spermatocytes, spermatids, and spermatozoa. The spermatids the sperms are the ones that you find in the lumen, okay? This one, yeah. You call them, okay, class, this one is the lumen, right? These are the mature ones that you find in the lumen. Yung meron ng buntot nga and ulo, okay? Those that are very round but small are called your spermatids. Yan. Okay? These are very small sperms. No, hindi pa siya mature. Immature pa yan. Okay? Those are rounded and they haven't acquired the tail yet. So these are called your spermatids. They are very round, small cells that don't have any tail. If they will be described, if you see them as like grains of rice, no? Yung tinuro ko sa inyo, those are already your mature. Yan. Asa na ba? Yan, yung mga nasa gitna na mostly. Okay, those are already your mature sperms. They are already in the lumen, ready to be expelled, no? Yan. Saan kaya pupunta? Now, this one class are your spermatogonia. Yan, yung pinaka-periphery. And the other stages, huwag na natin pansinin muna, ha? It will suffice for you to know that the most periphery are the spermatogonia or spermatogonium na singular. And then the most rounded and small one, yung pinakita ko kanina, yung cute. Yun. Yan, yung maliliit na yan daw. No? Very small pero rounded sila. You call them your spermatids. And the spermatozoa are the mature ones that usually are found very near the lumen. Okay? Actually, there are other stages. You have your primary spermatocyte, secondary, but no need for you to know. Okay? Now again, we will show you this view. That's your LTO. Identify the organ. Yan ka. Kaya nyo na yan i-identify? Organ, please.
Testes.
Testes.